Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Robin Clevitt and I'm a carpenter and joiner for over 30 odd years. I specialise in quite interesting projects. I've been involved in all kinds of different construction, from large site work construction to a lot of residential domestic building work, which tends to be quite complicated and challenging, and this includes steel work, timber work, complex groundworks and that sort of stuff. So behind me you'll see a project I'm working on at the moment. This is a garden studio I'm just making, and then as I turn around this way I'm doing some timber framed extensions on this property. So that's the kind of stuff I get involved with. I'm going to do a lot of how-to videos and that sort of stuff. I get a lot of requests from people to teach them, and over the years I've taught apprentices, about 7 apprentices now have gone on to have their own businesses. So check back, subscribe to my channel, hope you like it. I welcome comments, and I'll keep posting hopefully some interesting content for you all in the future.